Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raudhatul Safwah binti Amir Syam from class AS116-1A1. I will talk about oxidation in food. What is oxidation? Oxidation is a chain reaction that occurs in the presence of oxygen. It is responsible for the deterioration in the quality of food products, including of flavors and of odors. Oxidation is also affected by the processing, packaging and storing methods, as well as product ingredients. Oxidation reaction can occur when the food is exposed to oxygen in the air. The food containing such as fats or oil are at the greatest risk of oxidation. The example of food containing fats or oil is the mayonnaise, butter, oil and burger. The effect of oxidation on food. The first is deterioration of flavor, which is rancidity. The second is the food will loss of color. The third is the food will loss of nutritional value. And the fourth of the effect of oxidation on food is it will get a health risk from toxic oxidation products. Fat breaking down. Oxidative rancidity. It is a oxidation of fat or oil catalyzed by exposure to oxygen, like an or heat producing peroxide derivative which on decomposition that give substance such as peroxides, aldehydes, ketones, and decarboxylic acid that are toxic and have bad odor. This is the example of fat molecules. Oxidative damage. Oxidative damage is a oxidation reaction that can produce free radicals. A free radical is a highly reactive species that containing an unpaired electron. Free radicals can damage food by removal of an electron. Antioxidant molecules will move up free radicals to protect the foodstuff. How does an antioxidant cancel out a free radical? The antioxidant molecule donates an electron to the potentially damaging free radical. A stable electron pair is formed, stabilizing the free radical. The antioxidant itself becomes oxidized, which is mean it will lose an electron. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are chemicals that are added to food to prevent the food from going off, which it means it is used to prevent the food from easily spoiling and rotting. An antioxidant is a substance that slows down or prevents the oxidation of another chemical. The purpose of antioxidant. To simply put, antioxidant is a molecule that significantly delay or prevent oxidation of the food. It is used to help maintain the fresh appearance and color of the food. Antioxidants also used to lengthen the shelf life of the food. Antioxidant in action. Based on the picture, the left of the apple happens because oxidation occurs when the apple is left exposed to the air. Meanwhile, the right of the apple happens because the apple is protected when dipped in orange juice containing the antioxidant vitamin C. The conclusion of antioxidant is oxidation reaction happen when chemicals in food are exposed to oxygen in the air. In natural conditions, animal and plant tissues contain their own antioxidant, but in foods, this natural system break down and oxidation is bound to follow. Oxidation of food is a destructive process, causing loss of nutritional value and change in chemical composition. This can be seen when the apple changes its state from a fresh to a rotten one. Oxidation of fats and oils lead to rancidity, and in fruits such as apples, it can result in the formation of compounds which discolor the fruit. Antioxidants are added to food to slow the rate of oxidation, and if used properly, they can extend the shelf life of the food in which they have been used. The impact of antioxidant on health. The impact is it will give free radicals in living cells. Free radicals present in all living cells and are part of the cell process. It is a excessive free radicals in our cell that can attack the cell membrane, which is the outer of the cell, and it can cause cell and tissues damage. Radicals can also break strands of DNA, which emit the genetic material in the cell. Some of the chemicals known to cause cancer do so by forming free radicals. The imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants can lead to disease and ill health. The four main non-enzymatic antioxidants can be found in a range of food in our diet. However, medical opinions are divided as regards the impact these antioxidants have on general health. The first of the four main non-enzymatic antioxidants is melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone which helps to regulate sleep in our bodies. This compound can be termed as a terminal or suicidal antioxidant, as once it has removed the free radical, it has to be replaced. The second is A-tocopherol. This is a form of vitamin E and can be found in vegetable oils, nuts, and seeds. It has been suggested that it is good for the skin. The third is ascorbic acid. This is also known as vitamin C and is commonly found in fruits and vegetables. It is one of the essential vitamins and the human body is unable to synthesize it. It can be easily oxidized and act as a hydroxyl or superoxide on your radical scavenger. The fourth is beta-carotene. This is a precursor to vitamin A. It is a highly red orange pigment found in plants and fruits. In particular, it gives carrot their orange color. For additional information, there is also another situation that related to oxidation called enzymic browning. What is enzymic browning? Enzymic browning is an oxidation reaction that takes place in some foods, mostly fruits and vegetables, causing the food to turn brown. Oxidation reaction occurs in food and non-food items. Enzymic browning is a reaction which requires the action of enzyme and oxidation in order to occur. What happens during enzymic browning? Oxygen in the air can cause sliced fruit to brown, a process called enzymic browning. There is an oxidation reaction. Phenols and the enzyme phenolase are found in the cell of the apple, and when these are exposed to oxygen in the air, for example through slicing, the oxygen causes a reaction. The phenolase change the phenols into melanin, which has a brown color. To stop the oxidative reaction, the phenolase enzyme needed to be denatured. This could be done by using heat and acids. Why does enzymic browning happen? Foods are made up of lots of different molecules, including some called enzymes. Enzymes are special proteins which can speed up chemical reaction and act as biological catalysts. They can cause fruit to ripen and over-ripen, which give the fruit a brown color. Fresh fruit and vegetables normally keep enzymes trapped in their tissues. However, when the fruit is sliced or squashed, or when the fruit or vegetable begins to break down with age, the enzyme come into contact with oxygen in the air. This causes the fruit to turn brown. How can enzymic browning be slowed down? The browning can be slowed down by preventing the enzyme from working properly. For example, lemon juice contains an acid which can stop enzyme working properly, as enzymes often work best at a certain pH. Water and sugar in jam, for example, stop oxygen in the air getting to the enzyme and prevent the browning. The effect of oxidation on nutrient content. As well as causing the fruit to change color, oxidation can also affect the nutrient content of a fruit or vegetable. Vitamin C, found in some fruits and vegetables, can be oxidized when it is exposed to air. The longer a fruit is exposed, the less vitamins it will have. Thank you.